Melt 200 grams dark chocolate with the help of double boiler method. Now add a half cup butter to the melted chocolate. Now take 1 cup caster sugar. In a bowl you can also use brown sugar. Now add 3 eggs one by one and keep beating it with the help of hand beater. Don't add all 3 eggs at a time. Now, add melted chocolate and butter mixture to the beaten eggs and sugar mixture. Now mix it well gently. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Sieve and add a half cup all-purpose flour maida. Sieve and add 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Now bring everything together, mixing it gently. Add cashews. You can use any dried fruit of your choice. I have added almonds. Put the brownie batter to the mold lined with butter and all-purpose flour. Now bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes to a preheated oven. Now brownie is ready.